In today's global business landscape, multinational groups face a constant challenge: consolidating financial data across diverse international subsidiaries. Multiple currencies, varying accounting standards, complex ownership structures, and data scattered across different systems create significant complexity. Here we'll showcase how Kingdee Cloud Galaxy streamlines this complexity of consolidated statement across different countries or regions. In this scenario, the company is a manufacturing company registered in mainland China, which has established a wholly owned sales company in Hong Kong responsible for overseas sales. At the end of 2024, China Production Company prepares consolidated statements in the system. Let's have a look at the Consolidated Statement module in the Finance Cloud. We adopt a process-oriented perspective to help financial staff complete the consolidation flow. All these processes can be done automatically with preloaded templates. Click on Auto Execution, and the system can automatically execute the whole process. The system now has automatically completed this series of tasks, including individual statements, working paper, and consolidated statements according to the Auto Consolidation scheme. First, here you can see the individual statements and elimination table of China Production Company and Hong Kong Sales Company. China Production Company issues RMB reports in accordance with Chinese accounting standards. Hong Kong Sales Company, while issuing HKD reports in accordance with international accounting standards, also needs to issue RMB reports in accordance with Chinese accounting standards for consolidation purposes. Our system provides 14 localization packages, such as US localization package, IFRS localization package, and so on. The localization package have accounting elements, including accounting subjects, cash flow subjects, depreciation standards, report templates, etc., which can be loaded into the system for use. We click into the individual statements of Hong Kong Sales Company. The formulas for each item in the report are also preset. Taking cash and cash equivalents as an example, this is its data extraction formula. ACCT means acquiring general ledger account data. 111 and 112 refer to account cash in bank and cash equivalents respectively. We can query the subledger of this item, check the debit, credit, and balance amount of its associated voucher, and also drill down to the voucher to view the accounting details and its associated upstream business. Then, the system will convert HKD to RMB according to the foreign currency translation scheme, for example, using the closing rate for assets and liabilities and the average rate for income and expenses. Thus, the RMB report of Hong Kong Sales Company is generated. After confirmation, the report can be submitted, approved, and reported. Next is the elimination table, which offsets the revenues and costs involved in internal transactions. We can view details of internal investment, internal transaction seller, and internal transaction purchaser. We can query the corresponding subledger and drill down to the details of business. Here you can find the upstream business flow including sales order, sales issue, and account receivable. So we can better trace internal transaction data. Next is the adjustment entry. In the adjustment entry, the system adjusts items such as long-term equity investments, other comprehensive income, and investment income for the current year according to the adjustment entry template, and generates equity-related elimination entries. Next, we query and check data on equity, AR, AP, intercompany transactions, and cash flow between consolidated organizations. If there are vouchers with accounting dimension of internal party within the group, the data will be displayed here for easy query. Elimination entries include elimination types for equity, AR, AP, intercompany transactions, and cash flow. They eliminate duplicate calculations of internal transactions through debit-credit balance, adjusting report data to ensure that the consolidated statements only reflect the results of transactions between the group and external parties. After completing these adjustments, the working paper is prepared, which is the data sources of the consolidated statements. The working paper automatically captures individual amounts, adjustment amounts, and offset amounts of each organization within the consolidation scope, reflecting the aggregation process. After all, the system generates consolidated financial statements The tree-structured data presentation shows the composition of consolidated amounts and the source of data. We can drill down to the individual statements to trace details. In summary, through automated data acquisition, we support the integration of report data from multi-regional legal entities, realizing full process traceability from business data to report data, and improving the efficiency of consolidated statement preparation for international groups. That's all of our demonstration of consolidated statements. Thanks for your watching.